Hey guys, it's Uncle Shamara, and today I literally just want to show you the comments that made me die of laughter, and my most supportive ones. Sorry, I probably won't get everyone here because I had a lot of supportive and funny comments, but I just want to mention these because they're hilarious. Let's get right into it. This is a straight up favourite. Dabai is a straight up favourite. I literally wheeze at the sight of that. Oh god. Yeah, my favourite comment so far in my whole life. This is the favourite thing. Dabai. It will become a trend. Literally. I am making this a series. Dabai. Dabai, I'm coming for you, bro. We'll form the army of Dabais. Next one. Oh my god. Damn chicken's mad. Hawks was damn mad. He wasn't in that music video. Oh, people just know how to make my day, don't they? Next one, I don't really have much to say about that one. It's still a great comment though. I laughed for an hour at that. But nothing can overtake Dabai, I'm sorry. Dabai is too powerful. Second favourite comment, definitely. To be honest, this is quite funny, yeah, by Roblox and stuff. Honestly, I take this one as like, someone likes my channel and they have the time to quit their Roblox game just to watch my video. I appreciate that. Thank you. Next comment. This is just straight facts, honestly. No one hurts the bean. No one hurts the bean. We must stop. We must make an army of the bean protectors. We will protect the bean. We must form an army of Dabais and the bean protectors of the almighty bean slipper. We must protect him. Oh, and we need those army of Dabais. Ooh, I think Hawks is getting jelly. He's jealous. He disliked the music video of Sugar Dad because he wasn't in it. Oh, that definitely happened. This person made me laugh. Now we're gonna probably move on to the comments, like the nicer comments where people are being really nice and giving me supportive feedback. And I'm gonna leave these people's channels if they have one in at the end of the video. So if you wanna see them make your day, you can check them out. Anyways, let's continue. I honestly don't know what to say. I didn't know people liked my channel that much. I don't even know if this is half the comments either. Thank you to you all, and I'll leave your channels in the description if I can, if you have a channel. Not even in the description, I'll leave them at the end of the video. Yeah, thanks for all the support. So anyone who was mentioned in this video, you will be put in your channels will be put in the end of the videos. Anyways, here's the last few comments. Again, it's this person. This person's definitely my favorite commenter. His or she's comments lighten my day. To be honest, I've always thought my voice kind of sounded like boyish, and not many people would like me for that, you know what I mean? So, yeah, I've always thought my voice was kind of like a boy voice instead of a girl voice. But I think I say that. My voice does sound kind of like boyish, but that never really bothers me. I don't really care about my voice, to be honest. But thank you for the compliment. I got reminded, but once again, that... I'm so sorry. One like equals one hug for Gacha Oof. Psych, I'm also single.